pages, squires, knights, sir knights, my beloved brothers, esteemed knights of Columbus, of 11 Council P705, Santa Isabel Council 17412, St. Ferdinand College Council 8508, my faithful brothers of the Isabela Assembly, Assembly Circuit number 1643, other honored fraternities, Jubis Legio Draconis, Order of Amaranth, free and accepted Masons, the city government of Ilagan, held by the Honorable Mayor, our Knights of Columbus brother, Sir Jose Marie L. Diaz, the City Council, Honorable Marie Josephine B. Borromeo, Honorable J. Ibson C. Diaz, distinguished guests, our teachers, DepEd, veterans, PNP, AFP, BFP, BJMP, fellow patriots. Today, as we commemorate the birth of our nation's hero, Andres Bonifacio, we gather to honor his unwavering spirit and his relentless pursuit of freedom and justice. His legacy continues to inspire us, reminding us of the sacrifices made by our forefathers to secure our independence. As Knights of Columbus, we are bound by the cardinal virtues of charity, unity, fraternity, and patriotism. These virtues, deeply rooted in the teachings of the Catholic Church, align seamlessly with the ideals that Bonifacio embodied. Charity calls us to love and serve others selflessly. Unity strengthens us as we work together for the common good. Fraternity binds us as brothers, supporting one another. Patriotism reminds us to love and serve our country with unwavering devotion. As we honor Bonifacio's legacy, let us also recommit ourselves to the noble mission of the Knights of Columbus. Let us inspire others to join our ranks and work together to build a better future for all. I challenge each of you to take action, no matter how small, to make a positive impact on our community. Let us be beacons of hope, spreading love and kindness wherever we go. Volunteer your time at a local charity or organize a community service project. Let us be champions of justice, defending the rights of the oppressed and marginalized. Speak out against injustice and advocate for policies that promote equality and fairness. Let us be patriots, always striving to make our country a better place. Vote in elections, stay informed about current events, and participate in civic activities. As we face the challenges of our time, let us draw strength from Bonifacio's courage and determination. May his spirit continue to guide us as we strive to build a better future for our nation. Mabuhay ang bayaning si Andres Bonifacio!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay ang mamayang Ilagenyo!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay ang Kabalyero!
Mabuhay!
Maraming salamat po, Panginoon,